Yeah, for example, Indonesia is there's a word. Yeah, we can look at it.
I think it's
like
more
journal,
like encyclopedia, yeah.
Yeah, like encyclopedia or like journal. Journal is written by respective writers.
So I have a question. I mean the rapid growth
What?
of di tengah-tengah
In the middle of
what? Rapid growth of social media. Do you think should children still read the book or beyond should read the book? Because we can use social media.
reading a book is a must.
It's must.
Reading a book is a must because social media can guarantee you is that true or not. Social media.
You have
To read a book has recommended writer or recommended source.
Considering we will spend much more energy to find some journal in library rather than find journal in
we confess that internet can help us to search many journals. Okay, journal is recommended. I confess it. Many journals can be recommended because those are about research, yeah. For research, so they have responsibility to upload those journals. So we can believe in journals. But about other source, we don't know. Yeah, there's no guarantee. Yeah, besides journal, we don't have a guarantee to recommend those.
But I think you can actually trust the like verified sites.
What?
Verified sites.
Verified
I think
sites.
you can trust them.
Okay,
But
it's also
you can't trust the sites that
it's also be trusted. Yeah, it's also trusted. Yeah, but not overall